Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. If you want to use the default Samsung keyboard and you want to change its theme, then you need to go to the settings, then you need to scroll down to find the general management and then go there. Now over here tap Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and go to theme. Now over here you will find only 4 themes, 2 of which are pretty similar to each other. We have light and solid light, as well as dark and solid dark. As you can see, there are not so many themes. However, you can use a third-party keyboard instead. So you can go to Play Store and then you can search for Gboard. You can simply install it. This is the keyboard that can be found on other Android devices. And then of course it is made by Google. This one has definitely lots or actually more settings regarding the theme, where we can also create our own. So if you are bored with the default white and black themes, then you can definitely download this one. Alright, once we install it, then we can open it. We can enable it in the settings, like so. Press OK. Now let's go back. Let's select it as the default input method, and then we can press done. And now over here we can go to theme, and as you can see we have a bunch of different themes. We have gradients, we have landscapes, and just simple colors. And if you want to, you can also create your own theme by pressing this plus button, where you can select your own photo and then you can proceed with the customization. So let's say I actually want to use this gradient. Here we have the preview. We can press apply, and you can also enable and disable keyboarders, but let's apply it, and there we go. Now if we go back and let's open the messages, then we will have completely different theme for our keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.